Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we have a list of top 10 romance anime where friends become lover. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like, and if you are new, please subscribe to our channel. So without any further delay, let's begin. Number 10, H2O Footprints in the Sand. Takuma Hirose is a blind young male high school student, though the cause for his blindness is undetermined. In order to heal his medical condition, he is sent to live in a village with his uncle. There, he meets several girls, three of which stand out more than any of the others. They are Hayami Kohinata, Hinata Kankura, and Otoha. Otoha temporarily heals his blindness, and Hirose uses his sight to help others. He finds out that for some reason Hayami Kohinata is hated in the village, and he tries his best to help her out. Meanwhile, many sad secrets unfold in the village. Number 9. Canvas 2 Rainbow Colored Sketch. Kamikura Hiroki is an art student at the local academy, whom intends to be an art teacher in the future. He is also the advisor to the High School Arts Society, where his cousin Hosen Ellis attends. While Ellis is a painter like Hiroki, Hiroki seems to have given up on his dreams and no longer paints. There appears to be some mysterious trauma in the both of their pasts, which may have changed them. Meanwhile, the high school hires a new PE teacher, Kikyo Kiri. On the first day, she bumps into Hiroki and is stunned. Here is the boy she confessed to, and he refused her. Number 8. Suzuka. Yamato Akitsuki travels to Tokyo alone to study in one of the high schools located within the area. He lives in with his aunt, who operates a public bath solely for the ladies in the local district, and begins his normal high school life. One day he chances upon a girl in school and is immediately mesmerized by her beauty. He is shocked when he realizes later that the girl Suzuka is actually living next door to him. From then on, Yamato's ordinary life began to change little by little. Number 7. Momokuri. Yuki Kurihara, a second-year high school student, falls in love with Shinya Momotsuki, who is a year younger than her. After she takes 100 hidden camera pictures of him from a distance for her Momo-kun photo collection, she decides to tell him she likes him. The two of them start to date, but Kurihara still continues to take hidden camera photos and collect the things he touches, and she's acting kind of weird. This is a rom-com about a love between two people who don't know how to express their feelings. Number 6. Special A. Hikari has always been able to do things that normal people cannot. As a child, she assumed no one could beat her until she met Kei. She lost not once but each time she challenged him. From that point on, she has sworn to beat Kei at everything, ranging from academics to athletics. To achieve her goal, Hikari enrolls in the same school as Kei, where they hold the top 2 ranking in the school and are among 7 of the academy's best students in a class known as Special A. While Hikari treats Kei as a rival, she is completely oblivious that he harbors hidden feelings for her. Number 5. Tamako Market. Tamako, a clumsy though adorable teenage girl, belongs to a family of mochi bakers who owns a quaint shop called Tamaya. One day, Tamako stumbles upon a talking bird that presents himself as royalty from a distant land. Dera, as he calls himself, states that he is seeking a bride for his country's prince. Intent on his mission, Dera follows Tamako home and develops an addiction to mochi, becoming painfully overweight and subsequently unable to fly back to his homeland. Thus, he takes up residence with Tamako's family and becomes the community's beloved mascot. Meanwhile, Tamako's friend Mochizo Uji continues to hide his true feelings for her. Number 4. 5 centimeters per second. What happens when two people love each other but just aren't meant to be together? Takaki Tsuno and Agari Shinohara are childhood friends, but circumstances beyond their control tear them apart. They promise to stay in contact, and although the progression of time widens the distance between them, the chain of memories remains ever present. 5 centimeters per second is a romantic drama that focuses on the mundane and harsh reality of long-distance relationships. Stuck in the past and unable to make any new memories, Takaki and Akari cling to the hope of seeing each other again. They live their everyday lives half-heartedly, both hurting themselves and the people around them. Number 3. Romeo x Juliet. On the floating continent of New Verona, the Montague family slaughters the entire Capulet family and seizes control of the kingdom. The true heir to the throne, Juliet, manages to escape the onslaught and is hidden away by loyalists for 14 years with the hope that she may one day overthrow the cruel Montague regime. One of her escapades, she meets Romeo, and without knowledge of each other's background, they both fall in love at first sight. Unfortunately, however, their destiny is a cursed one. Not only does each of the two families wish to obliterate the others, but an ancient secret hidden beneath New Verona also threatens their undying love for each other. Number 2. Cardcaptor Sakura. 10-year-old Sakura lives a pretty normal life with her older brother Toya and widowed father Fujitaka. Or she did until the day she returned home from school to discover a glowing book in her father's study. After opening the book and releasing the cards within, Sakura is tasked with collecting each of these magical cards while trying to live the life of a normal 4th grader. In the monumental task of collecting all the cards, Sakura must rely on her friends and family and decide what she finds most important in life. Number 1. Canon. It's been 7 years since Yuichi Aizawa visited his aunt, but now that his parents have gone to Africa to pursue their careers, he is finally back in the little northern town. Yuichi is not really overjoyed with the prospect of living here though, because all of his memories of this place and the people living in it have mysteriously vanished. On the day of moving into his new home, Yuichi starts unpacking the boxes and stumbles upon a red headband that no one seems to recognize. This is one of the first clues that make Yuichi start recalling fragments of his past, broken promises and buried secrets. Yuichi soon realizes that there is something supernatural going on, and all of his new female acquaintances seem to have links to his forgotten past. That's it for today's video. I hope you like it, and please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you are new, remember to hit the notification button for any more upcoming videos.